Hey guys, what's up? This is Tristan. I'm here today to unbox my flat face package. Okay. I have this little pull tab. Let me put. There's what's in it. Okay. Sticker. Rasta sign inside. A piece of paper or something like, I don't know. Another piece of paper. My order. Oh, sweet. Here's one of the vinyl stickers I ordered, and he gave me free pivot cups. Thank you. Oh, sweet. He sent me another one. Another vinyl sticker. Another sticker. And a flat face green wheel sticker. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. You don't even know how excited I am. It was really fast shipping, 3 days. Oh. My gray Vista ledge I asked for. I asked for a gray one and he sent me a gray one. This is super nice. Yeah. Sweet. Thank you, Mike Schneider. Yeah. Peace.